If you're looking for an at-home hair removal method which is easy, pain-free, quick and basically free, then you have clicked on the right video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sony Mishra और आज की वीडियो में आप लोग को दिखाऊंगा अपना फेस एंड बॉडी हेयर रिमूवल रूटीन जो आप लोग इजीली घर पे फॉलो कर सकते हो. When I say I've tried it all, I actually mean it. Waxing, threading, shaving, I've done it all. I have always hated how painful waxing and threading was. So starting में एक दो बार कराने के बाद I completely gave up and I switched to shaving completely. Face, body, bikini line everywhere, and while it worked well and it was super easy, it gave me razor burns and ingrown hair when my skin was sensitive and not well exfoliated. It was nothing major but enough for me to wonder if there was an easier option. So I decided to try a trimmer and an epilator, and spoiler alert, I'm not going back. The first thing I do is start with a clean and dry skin. Face, underarm, body or bikini line, I make sure that there is no sunscreen, no deodorant, no lotion, basically nothing sitting on the skin. Clean skin allows the trimmer to glide very smoothly and avoid the chances of any irritation afterwards. And lately I've been using the ProTouch All-Rounder All-in-One Women Trimmer and Epilator because it gives me an epilator and a trimmer in one lightweight device. So let's do the facial hair first because that is the area most women are nervous about. For my upper lip, sideburns and chin area, I prefer using an epilator because facial hair tends to grow back quickly on me. So I like that an epilator removes the hair from the root and gives me longer lasting results. The biggest mistake people make while epilating the face is trying to rush through it. I always hold my skin tight with one hand and move the epilator slowly against the direction of hair growth. Smaller sections work far better than trying to cover the entire face all at once. Now my trimmer has an epilator attachment on this side, which is what I like to use on my facial hair. Now since it is designed to be used on a smaller area, I find it super easy to use all over my face without feeling like I'm using a very bulky device on my face. And look, my entire face is all done and I did not feel anything and there was no scares of any cuts whatsoever. Now before switching to the next area, I wash and dry my trimmer. Now this one is water resistant, so it makes it very simple to clean it. Now let's talk about the bikini area. That is where most people suffer with irritation and razor burns. The biggest tip here is to take as much time as possible because of course the skin there is more delicate than any part of your body. So for bikini line, I like using the safety cap of the trimmer and I like to go over the area in small strokes rather than continuously going over one area again and again. Now one of the reason I like trimming down there rather than shaving is because trimmer gives me less irritation and bumps afterwards, and also my trimmer has ceramic blades which feel very gentle on the skin, and since this is perfectly designed for a woman's grooming need, I feel super comfortable using it on the sensitive areas as well. And it is cordless with a good battery life, so I can literally use it anywhere. So I carry it everywhere on all my travels because it is super compact, portable and saves me from any hair emergency. And the best part कि ये charge होता है USB-C से, तो वो केबल तो सबके पास available होती है. Now moving to my body hair, I like to exfoliate either the night before or a few hours beforehand. This helps lift trapped hairs and can prevent ingrown hairs later. I use any body scrub in the shower. Now I start with my underarms. I always trim in multiple directions because underarm hair grows in different patterns. Going only one way usually leaves patches behind. So I go downwards, then sideways and finally upwards to catch all the remaining hairs. For my arms and legs, I work section by section instead of rushing. I start at the bottom and slowly move upwards in long strokes. This gives me a much more even finish and helps me avoid missing any spots. And if my hair has grown long, I like to trim it in the direction of my hair growth to reduce the length first and then go in the opposite direction for an even cleaner trim. My trimmer has a wide side that works well for the larger areas also, so I can get through my legs and my arms very quickly. Once I finish, I rinse away any loose hair and apply a simple fragrance-free moisturizer. This keeps my skin feeling comfortable and reduces any dryness. Now a few bonus tips that have helped me over the years. First, never ever remove hair on an irritated or broken skin. Second, always clean your device after every use. Third, if you're prone to ingrown hair, make sure exfoliation is a part of your routine. Last and the most important, do not compare your hair growth with anybody else. Every woman has body and facial hair. It's just that किसी के ज़्यादा visible होते हैं और किसी के कम, and that is completely normal. So if you want to check out this trimmer, I'll tag it in the product section and link in the description box below. You can go check it out and grab yours quickly. And I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.